Dear listeners, do you know that how the bones and internal organs of human body were examined till 1895 AD? Do you also know how X-rays were discovered? Do you have information about the first Nobel Prize winner in physics? If the answer of these questions is no, then this science story will be quite interesting and informative for you. And if you want to listen this story in Urdu or Hindi, then the link is given in the description and is shown above as well. Imagine the year is 1895, a time when the inside of the human body was mystery that could only be unveiled through the painful and dangerous process of surgery. Our story begins in the small, dimly lit laboratory of German physicist named Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen in Würzburg. Rontgen was a hardworking scientist known for his long hours of solitary work. On a cold November evening, while experimenting with cathode rays, those mysterious streams of electrons observed in vacuum tubes, he stumbled upon something extraordinary. The laboratory was quiet, save for the faint hum of electricity and occasional crackle from his equipment. Rontgen had covered his cathode ray tube with heavy black cardboard to prevent light from escaping, but then something strange happened. Despite the tube being sealed, a nearby screen coated with barium platinocyanide began to glow with a ghostly light. Rontgen's heart skipped a beat. He knew that this fluorescence couldn't be caused by the cathode rays, which were contained within the tube. Rontgen moved the screen further away, only to see the glow persist. What could be causing this illumination? He placed various objects between the tube and the screen, like books, wood, metal plates. Astonishingly, the mysterious rays seemed to pass through them all, casting faint shadows. With growing excitement, Rontgen fetched a piece of lead, hoping it would block the rays. As he held it up, he noticed something even more remarkable. The lead blocked most of the rays, but the outline of his hand, bones, and all appeared on the screen in stark contrast. His mind raced. These unknown rays, which he named X-rays, were revealing the hidden structures inside solid objects. It was as if he had unlocked a new dimension of sight. Determined to document his discovery, Rontgen conducted further experiments. One of the first images he captured was of his wife Anna Bertha's hand, showing her bones and wedding ring in chilling clarity. When she saw the image, she exclaimed, "I have seen my death." News of Rontgen discovery spread rapidly, astonishing scientists and public alike. Medical practitioners quickly realized the potential of X-rays, and within months, they were being used to diagnose broken bones and locate foreign objects inside patients' bodies. In 1901, Rontgen's revolutionary discovery earned him the very first Nobel Prize in Physics. His accidental encounter in the dimly lit lab had transformed medicine and physics forever, opening up the human body to the light of science. And so, from the shadows of his solitary work, Rontgen had brought to light a tool that would save countless lives and illuminate the unseen world within us all. Thanks for listening. And if this science story seems interesting to you, then please like the story and subscribe our YouTube channel Learning.Planet. You can also share this story with your friends as well.